Hi, today we are going to see one more topic from Python, that is printing strings on the screen. The main purpose of the print statement is to print strings to the screen. The print statement is the standard built-in function for printing strings to the screen. It is extremely flexible and has many useful features for formatting the strings and number in just the right way. We can pass any number of strings to the print. Now we will see one or two examples. Here I have already typed that strings by using that print statement, and I have given some strings, that is Sachin ate breakfast. These are all the separate strings I have given in the pass to the print by using the separator as comma. But what will happen is that print screen, that print function, it prints out each string in the standard output window, separating the strings with space only. That is the default one. Okay, here just to show you how it is getting printed. Now I have given print Sachin ate breakfast. Now it prints the strings on the screen by separating it with the empty space. That is, one space is there, Sachin ate, after that one space, after that break one space, and fast. And if you want to separate it with the some other thing, that means either comma or dot, we can do that. How we are going to do, now we will see. Just here we have to give like this. Okay, then it is getting the strings getting separated with the dot. Okay, at the end you have to give the separator. This is the way you can print the strings on the screen actually. And for your information, by default printed strings end with a new line character. Okay, if we want to print two lines of the text, what we have to do? A new line character causes the cursor to move to the next line when string is printed. So by default you can't print anything on the same line after calling the print. That you have to understand. Okay, you cannot print on the same line. If you want to print it on the same line, you have to add one extra thing. That means at the end, instead of new line, you have to give the empty space. If you do that, you can print two lines of text in the single line. How we are going to do, now we will see. Okay, already I have written one small program, just opening it. Print screen. Okay, print string actually. Here I have given two print statements, print Sachin ate and print breakfast. Now let me see what's happening now. I'm just running it. Okay, it prints on the same line. I will remove this. Now we will see what happens. Instead of end, I have given nothing at the end. Default what it takes. Now we will see. Okay, here it is printing on the two different lines. It's not printing on the same line. Why? Means that ends with the, whenever the print statement we are giving, it ends with the new line character. So we cannot print the two lines on the that means on the same line. We cannot print the another string on the same line. If we want to print it, you have to change the code little bit like this by adding the separator at the end. Instead of new line, we have to give like this. Then what happens is at the end, instead of new line character, it ends with the empty string. So we can print it on the same line. Okay, so far we have seen how to print the strings on the screen by using the print statement. We will see the next thing in the next session. Thanks. Bye.